Congressional Democrats begin their drive to force President Donald Trump from office this week, with a House vote on articles of impeachment expected as early as Wednesday. That would make him the only president in United States history to be impeached twice. It's important that we act, and it's important that we act in a very serious and deliberative manner. Representative Jim McGovern, chairman of the Rules Committee, told a news channel on Monday. We expect this up on the floor on Wednesday, and I expect that it will pass. Thousands of Trump supporters stormed the Capitol last week, scattering lawmakers who were certifying Democratic President-elect Joe Biden's election victory in a harrowing assault on the center of American democracy that left 5 dead. Violence came after Trump urged supporters to march on the Capitol at a rally where he repeated false claims that his resounding election defeat was illegitimate. House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi, many of her fellow Democrats, and a handful of Republicans say Trump shouldn't be trusted to serve out his term, which ends on Jan 20. In protecting our Constitution and our democracy, we will act with urgency because this president represents an imminent threat to both. Pelosi wrote to fellow House Democrats on Sunday. Dozens of people who attacked police officers, stole computers, and smashed windows at the Capitol have been arrested for their role in the violence, and officials have opened 25 domestic terrorism investigations. Trump acknowledged that a new administration would take off on Jan 20 in a video statement after the attack, but hasn't appeared in public. Twitter and Facebook have suspended his accounts, citing the risk of him inciting violence. When the House convenes at 11 a.m. GMT on Monday, lawmakers will bring up a resolution asking Vice President Mike Pence to invoke the never-used 25th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which allows the Vice President and the Cabinet to remove a president deemed unfit to do the job. A recorded vote is expected on Tuesday.